Hello, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Elizabeth. Today I would like to introduce you to the new project I'm doing. I do not have 50 followers, because of which I cannot do live videos of cross stitching. So when I have, I'll start doing in this channel. Right now I do it in a different channel. I'll put the link somewhere in the description. I don't know if you find it boring or not, but I've done few live videos of my latest project, and so this is my latest project I want to show you. So this is a pattern I got from Etsy. Looks very beautiful, from somebody called as Happy Cross Stitchers. I'll try to put the link somewhere in the description. So this has around 2000 stitches, and I have done currently around 486 of them. It's going to be a very small one, and this is like 400 stitches. Can you believe it? This is 400 stitches. Cross stitch is a very intensive craft, because even to cover a small area you have to do that many stitches. So like this is like a 15 count fabric, so to count 1 inch square is like you have to do around 225 stitches. So that many stitches has to be there, but I'm loving how it is coming out. I hope the end product is very good. So again, I'll show you this one. Just hoping to all the colors will come out well, just hoping, and I hope to finish it by another 3-4 days. That's it. I'll come back and with an update for all of you. I hope to finish it by end of this month. Today is like 25th of April or something. I have to be done by 30th April. That's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping to finish it. I'll come back with an update. Thanks for watching.